guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel flat bag from coebags.com. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into this video. So they are an online website that has high quality reps. They mirror the image of bags that are in stores, so they use like the same quality materials so that you can get basically the bag without paying that crazy price. So if you're somebody that's into that kind of stuff, on Coe Bags they do have purses, they have shoes, they have jewelry, they have accessories, they have all kinds of different stuff from brands that you love like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Burberry, and the list goes on and on. And they have really good quality. I've worked with them numerous times now, so let's go ahead and unbox this beauty right here. So it does come with the box for you, so I really love that they add that in. Let's go ahead, you guys. This bag is so gorgeous. I've already looked at it. I love it so much. I'm usually a person that doesn't do colorful bags, but I needed a pink bag in my collection. Like, I love the color pink. So it does come with a dust bag. And then also in here it does have, like, you know, they always do the receipt thing. And then if you wanted to wrap this box up, it does have the Chanel ribbon. And then also it does come with like the Chanel shopping bag. And then this other little receipt situation. And this was just the bag that the dust bag was in, but I already took it out of there. Like I said, I've already opened it, looked at it. This bag is so pretty, so girly. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. Dun, dun, dun. And this is kind of like the smaller size. Is she not gorgeous? Look at that. And this is in the Caviar leather. I'm gonna wait for it to focus in. It's this beautiful like mauve pink color, and I love it with this gold hardware. I feel like it looks so pretty with the gold hardwaring. Perfect size. Has the back flap. Focus that in for you guys as well. So pretty. This is the bottom. Sides. Such a gorgeous bag. When I saw this, I was like, so pretty. So let's go ahead and get a closer look. So it does have the CC in the front, and I'm gonna go ahead and just twist it open. And it has the zipper. I didn't take this off yet. It had this extra like leather tag on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take that off real quick. I haven't worn the bag yet. On the inside, focus that in, it does say Chanel Paris. We have the zipper right there, and it does have the flap. Let me see. Open up, the CC says Chanel. Really cute. It does have this tag on here. I need to snap this off, but when you get their bags, it does have like the bag description on here. So it just says flat bag, gold M, and it has like the QR code to scan it. You have the pocket. You open it up, the other pocket. So yeah, I really did not take this stuff out like I usually do. It comes with like this to help keep the shape of the bag. The bag is very sturdy. It's not a flimsy bag, so you really don't even need it to keep the shape. It has this inside. Hold on. And then when you open it, it has this. So that's what's in there. And then this is the actual inside. So cute and girly, and I still need to pull the tab off of this. So this Y'all see where that blue thing is? So like all that kind of stuff on the hardware is usually covered, and I usually take it off before I film these videos for you guys, but I didn't get around to taking all of this off this time. But the quality of the bag is really, really nice. I love it. This part of my hair is like poofing. I haven't straightened my hair in a while, sorry. But the quality, overall quality, Coey Bags always does such an amazing job with their purses. This is like I think this is the 3rd Chanel bag I've gotten from them, you guys, and the quality is always top tier. I'm trying to get this little plastic off of here so I can show you guys, because it is like the double C on the inside. Okay, I got it off. So on that inside as well is the double C's. There it goes, it's focusing now. So yeah, this bag is super cute. I really love that with this one you can wear it long ways, you can wear it crossbody as well, and it's just a really nice bag to have. I feel like because it's a mauve pink, it's one of those bags that I could still possibly get away with in the fall time. I feel like it's good with all seasons. It makes like a nice year-round bag because it's not a super bright pink, but more of that rosy mauve type of pink, and it's just so gorgeous. So I love it, because if you guys know my business, Lavish Curls, I use like light mauve pink colors, gold, so like those are kind of like my favorites, and the bag is just gorgeous. So I will have Coey Bags linked in the description box below, plus a 15% off discount code you guys can use on the website to shop. And yeah, make sure you guys check them out. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.